If your face can unlock your phone, it can also unlock a whole lot of problems. Biometrics feel futuristic. Face, fingerprint, voice. But they're not magic. Today, I'll show you the risks, privacy, deepfakes, and cyber threats, and how to fix them with simple, layered steps. Imagine getting a call that sounds exactly like your boss telling you to wire money now. Or your face unlocking a door you never meant to open. That's not sci-fi. It's happening. Biometrics are identifiers you can't change easily. If a password leaks, you reset it. If your face or voice leaks, that's you. Privacy. Social media, doorbells, cameras. If companies store biometric templates poorly, a breach turns permanent. Spoofing. Cheap 3D masks, high-res photos, even AI-generated voices can bypass weak liveness checks. Some systems only look for eyes open or a waveform pattern. Attackers know. Deepfakes, hyper-real videos, cloned voices, powering scams, CEO fraud, romance cons, fake customer support, ad urgency, and people act before thinking. Model leaks, backups, analytics, devlogs can drift into the cloud. If templates or embeddings leak, you can't rotate your face. Consent collapse. Facial recognition in public spaces and workplaces blurs lines. You might be opting in without realizing it. Fix. Don't ditch biometrics, sandbox them. Layer up so one failure doesn't sink you. Use biometrics as a local unlock, not the only key. Pair with a hardware-backed factor, passkeys, security key. On-device biometrics, plus passkey beats face-only logins. Turn on liveness and anti-spoofing, require attention, 3D depth, or strong biometric modes. If offered, use enhanced recognition. For voice, set a challenge phrase for high-risk actions and avoid reusable passphrases. If someone calls with urgent requests, hang up and call back via a saved number. For video, require a quick gesture challenge, turn head left-right, blink pattern, read random words. Deepfakes struggle with real-time randomness. Email and money. No transfers or gift cards based on voice or video alone. Require a second channel and a code word. Build this policy now, not during a crisis. Privacy hygiene, minimize where your face and voice live. Disable auto-upload, prune old face groups, and opt out of face recognition in social apps. Company side, adopt zero trust. Least privilege for biometric data, encrypted at rest, hardware security modules, and short retention. Don't store raw images. Store salted device-bound templates. Audit vendors. Where do templates live? How they're encrypted, how they're deleted, and how liveness is tested. Require third-party assessments and breach notification SLAs.